Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So many of us make mistakes. Mistakes give us chance to learn to improve us. Don't worry, I'm going to talk about some common mistakes with some common words and we make mistakes. We keep it repeating without knowing, without making them clear. For example, these four words we use daily but we make mistakes. We have to use some, any, for, since. So let's make it clear. The first sentence that is wrong and we use it. I'm going to clear in this video, through this video, where to use these words correctly. So let's start it. For example, where to use since and where to use for, where to use some and where to use any. So first of all, we talk about some and any. In brief, in concise, if we say that some we use for affirmative and positive sentences. For example, I have some friends. And any we use for negative sentences. For example, don't have any friends. I don't have any apple. I don't have anything to eat. And secondly, we use any for interrogatives. Do you have any problem? Simply we speak that. Do you have any money? Do you have anything to eat? So these words make it clear that these sentences make it clear that some we use for affirmative or positive sentences and any we use for negative sentences. Yes, we use some for interrogatives as well. Where this is exception. We use some whenever we just offer somebody. We offer someone. We have polite requests. Now we come to two words since and for. We use them for present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. But this is a common mistake. Many of you make sentences like I'm living here since 2000. That's wrong. We don't use in present continuous since or for. Where do you use since? Since we use for exact time. Since tells us since when. Since tells us exact time. For example, I have been living here since 1998. For example, I have lived here since 1998. On the other side, for we use for the duration and for time period. For example, I have lived here for many years. So the difference is that since we use it tells us the exact time, date, and for just tells us duration of time, length of time. That is the common difference between these two words to use. We have some fill in the blanks and we will practice and we will learn more. Answer of first one is some, any, then some. Next sentences. Since, for, and for. I hope you got something, you learned something through this video. If you learned something, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.